Malcolm X's life was a testament to the transformative power of self-belief and the relentless pursuit of justice. Born Malcolm Little in 1925, his early years were marked by love and hardship. His father, a Baptist minister, instilled in him pride and awareness of racial injustice. Tragedy struck when his father was murdered by white supremacists. This event shattered the family, leading to his mother's breakdown and the siblings' separation. Malcolm and his siblings were placed in foster homes, exposing him to systemic oppression. He excelled academically but faced constant discrimination. Despite challenges, Malcolm's intellect and charisma shone through. He moved to Boston, engaging in street life and petty crime. This period sharpened his wit and understanding of systemic inequalities. Malcolm's experiences within a racist system provided fertile ground for revolution. He witnessed systemic racism in education, housing, employment, and criminal justice. The constant degradation and limited opportunities fueled his anger and belief in radical change. This belief was cemented during his time in prison for burglary at 20. Prison became a crucible of transformation. There, he encountered the Nation of Islam, preaching self-reliance and black pride. The nation's message resonated deeply, providing a framework for understanding his oppression. The emphasis on black empowerment and rejection of white supremacy gave him purpose. He immersed himself in studying history, philosophy, and religion. Embracing the nation's moral code, he abandoned crime for discipline and self-improvement. This period marked a turning point, setting him on the path to becoming a key figure in the civil rights movement. Malcolm's transformation within the Nation of Islam was profound. He converted to Islam, dropping his surname Little, which he considered a slave name, and adopting the X to represent his lost African heritage. He embraced the nation's teachings with fervor, becoming a model convert and rising quickly through its ranks. His intelligence, charisma, and powerful oratory skills captivated audiences, making him a highly sought-after speaker. Malcolm's message resonated with many African Americans who felt disillusioned by the slow pace of progress in the civil rights movement. He rejected the integrationist approach advocated by Martin Luther King Jr. and other civil rights leaders, arguing that true liberation could only be achieved through self-determination and complete separation from white society. His fiery rhetoric, his uncompromising stance against racism, and his unwavering belief in black power struck a chord with many who had grown weary of turning the other cheek. Malcolm's message, however, was not without controversy. His sharp criticisms of white America, often characterized as inflammatory and divisive, alienated some while galvanizing others. He challenged the very fabric of American society, exposing its hypocrisy and demanding immediate and radical change. He became a powerful voice for the disenfranchised and the dispossessed, articulating their anger and frustration with an eloquence and passion that few could match. Malcolm X's time in the Nation of Islam profoundly shaped his worldview and his approach to fighting racial injustice. The nation's teachings, rooted in black nationalism and self-determination, provided him with a framework for understanding the systemic oppression faced by black people in America. He fully embraced the concept of black supremacy, viewing white people as inherently wicked and responsible for the historical and contemporary suffering of African Americans. Central to Malcolm's ideology during this period was the belief in black self-reliance and economic independence. He argued that black communities needed to build their own institutions, businesses, and economic power base to escape the clutches of white exploitation. He advocated for black separatism, believing that true freedom and equality could only be achieved by creating a separate black nation within America or by returning to Africa. This emphasis on self-reliance extended to the realm of self-defense. Malcolm X rejected the pacifist approach advocated by some civil rights leaders, arguing that black people had the right to defend themselves against racist aggression by any means necessary. This stance, while controversial, resonated with many who lived in fear of racial violence and felt that the nonviolent approach was insufficient to combat the brutality they faced. Section 5. A Journey of Enlightenment. Malcolm X's journey was far from static. In 1964, he embarked on a pilgrimage to Mecca, an experience that changed his understanding of race and religion. Witnessing unity among Muslims of all races challenged his beliefs. He embraced a vision of Islam that transcended racial boundaries. This marked a significant turning point in his life and ideology. He began to advocate for a more inclusive approach to civil rights. recognizing the common humanity of all people. He continued to advocate for black empowerment and self-determination, believing true liberation required a broader movement for human rights. Section 6. Embracing a universal struggle. Malcolm X's evolving ideology led him to embrace a more nuanced understanding of the struggle for racial justice. He recognized that the fight against racism in America was inextricably linked to broader global struggles against colonialism, imperialism, and oppression. He began to connect with international movements for liberation, drawing inspiration from the struggles of oppressed people around the world. This shift in perspective was reflected in his growing interest in Pan-Africanism, a movement that advocated for the unity and solidarity of people of African descent worldwide. He saw the struggle of African Americans as part of a larger global movement against colonialism and white supremacy, recognizing the shared experiences and common goals of oppressed people across the diaspora. This broadening of his worldview led Malcolm to embrace a more human rights-centered approach to social change. He began to speak out against all forms of injustice, regardless of the race or ethnicity of the victims or perpetrators. He recognized that true liberation required not just the dismantling of racist structures but also the creation of a just and equitable society for all. Section 7. The formation of the OAW. Malcolm X's break from the Nation of Islam in 1964 marked a new chapter in his life and activism. He founded the Organization of Afro-American Unity, or OAU, a secular organization dedicated to fighting for the human rights of people of African descent in the United States. The OAU aimed to unite all black people, regardless of religious affiliation, under a common banner of self-determination and liberation. Unlike the Nation of Islam, which advocated for black separatism, the OAU sought to build coalitions with other progressive groups, both within and outside the black community, to challenge systemic racism and achieve social justice. Malcolm envisioned the OAU as a platform to address the multifaceted issues facing black Americans, including poverty, education, employment, and police brutality. The OAU's platform reflected Malcolm's evolving political ideology, which had shifted from a focus on black nationalism to a broader human rights framework. He continued to advocate for black self-reliance and empowerment, but now believed that true liberation required a multi-pronged approach that addressed the systemic and institutionalized nature of racism. He recognized the need to engage in political action, legal challenges, and community organizing to dismantle the structures of oppression. Section 8. A legacy interrupted. Tragically, Malcolm X's life and work were cut short on February 21, 1965, when he was assassinated in Harlem, New York. His assassination, carried out by members of the Nation of Islam, silenced one of the most powerful and articulate voices for racial justice in America. His death sent shockwaves through the nation and the world, leaving a void in the struggle for equality that is still felt today. Despite his relatively short life, Malcolm X left an indelible mark on the American consciousness. His unwavering commitment to racial justice, his powerful critiques of systemic racism, and his evolving philosophy continue to inspire and challenge us today. His legacy is complex and multifaceted, marked by both his early embrace of black nationalism and his later evolution towards a more inclusive vision of human rights. Malcolm X's legacy is not without controversy. His sharp critiques of white America, his advocacy for black self-defense, and his association with the Nation of Islam continue to spark debate and discussion. However, his unwavering commitment to black empowerment, his willingness to challenge the status quo, and his ultimate embrace of a universal struggle for human rights have cemented his place as one of the most important figures in the fight for racial justice. Section 9. The enduring resonance of Malcolm X. Malcolm X's ideas and legacy continue to resonate powerfully in the 21st century, particularly in the wake of ongoing struggles against racial injustice and police brutality. His emphasis on black self-reliance, economic empowerment, and the right to self-defense remain relevant in communities facing systemic racism and oppression. His critiques of capitalism and its role in perpetuating racial inequality have found new life in contemporary movements for economic justice. His understanding of the interconnectedness of various forms of oppression has inspired intersectional approaches to social change. His legacy is particularly relevant in the Black Lives Matter movement, which has drawn inspiration from his uncompromising stance against racial violence and his call for black empowerment. Malcolm X's life and legacy remind us that the struggle for justice is an ongoing process, one that requires constant vigilance, unwavering commitment, and a willingness to challenge the status quo. His story is a testament to the transformative power of self-belief, the importance of speaking truth to power, and the enduring relevance of his message in the face of ongoing injustice. His life and legacy continue to inspire generations to fight for a more just and equitable world, where all people are treated with dignity and respect.